I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. If you happen to be new, my name's Denasiha, this is Adira, and welcome to our channel. So for today's video, I'm actually doing a product line-ish review, which I actually don't do very often, mainly because I've become very comfortable in the products that I use and I haven't been venturing out to try new products very often. However, today is a little bit different. Today is Sunday, the day that I do uploads and the day that I will be filming, editing, and uploading this video. I am way behind schedule. However, I was at Ulta to pick up a new fragrance, and you know how you're standing in line and they got the little sample towers, and something caught my eye, which was the Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner, and it was only $9. So I grabbed it, and then the next day I thought about it and I was like, it really doesn't make sense that I only got the leave-in conditioner. Let me look up the other travel sizes, and they were all about $9, and I was like, that's perfect for trying it out, doing a video. If I like it, then I can go back and buy the bigger sizes. But for today, so I'm gonna go ahead, do a wash and go, even though it's winter time and I probably shouldn't. I'm just gonna do a wash and go because I do have the kind of wash and go lineup of products. I did not grab the shampoo and conditioner, basically because I didn't want to. I just have no desire to, and I have enough in my bathroom right now. I actually don't know very much about this line. I remember when it first came out and people were talking about it and there was a lot of mixed reviews, and then I saw that she ended up coming out with another line that I believe was supposed to be more catered to thicker texture, like the Afro kinky curly hair versus just curly hair like the original line. Now that's just me seeing bits and pieces of things and putting that together. Again, I have not like looked into the line in depth. I haven't watched a bunch of reviews, so this is gonna be pretty raw and very realistic of me trying it for the first time, not being influenced by other people's opinions and things like that. But these are the products that I have to try today. Once again, the leave-in conditioner, the rich moisture and defining styling cream, and then I got the stronghold gel. I did also get the hair clip, which you'll see, and the hair towel. I actually have had the hair towel for several months. I had a Diva Curl towel and I left that at home in Virginia last year, and I needed to get a new towel, so I picked this one up because I was like, hey, I get to support Black-owned businesses, and we all know what was going on with Diva Curl. Anywho, that was an extremely long-winded intro, but I just wanted to kind of get all of that information out because I'm not going to be talking through the whole course of the video. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to do my first section in normal speed, kind of talking through it, giving you my initial real and raw thoughts. Then I'm going to finish my head and come back when I'm done to tell you what I think about the products, how I feel about the brand, etc. Deal? Awesome. And I wouldn't be a real YouTuber if I didn't add, don't forget to like and subscribe if you actually like my video, but most importantly, remember to check in and subscribe with yourself before you subscribe to me or anybody else. With that being said, let's get into the hair review. It's not a hair review. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so my hair has been washed and conditioned deeply. I actually had my deep conditioner in my head for a day and a half, and it was just in a bun because she's busy, okay? And here is the Pattern Beauty hair clip that I was telling you about. I actually really like this. I never thought that I would like or even need something like this, but now that my hair has gotten significantly longer, it really comes in handy in the shower because the one that I was using was actually like grabbing and pulling my hair. This does not do that. It's very smooth, very big, so all of it literally grabs all of my hair when I twist it up, and it's perfect. So my hair is towel dried, so it is a little bit damp, enough for me to be able to put my products on or in and it still be moisturized, but not enough that it's dripping down my neck and face. Okay, so we're gonna do semi-large sections. I haven't even opened these. Like I haven't even smelled them or anything. But I really do love this packaging. If you know anything about me, I am a marketing freak. And the like aesthetic of the brand and the fact that this is like this smooth matte, I love it. Like once my business grows, this is my vibe. So let's see. Okay, I like that consistency. It's like thick, but it still has that like wet, watery kind of feel. Like it's wet and watery, but it's still thick. I like that. Okay. It's like not as thick as my TGIN leave-in conditioner, but I like the fact that it's like watery because it's giving me slip. So far so good. I like this. Also the smell is like very, very light. Very, very light. It's not highly fragranted. So this is how my hair is looking with just the leave-in conditioner in. It definitely is moisturizing. It definitely has a lot of slip. Would not be enough on its own for me, especially now that it's fall pushing winter. Next, the styling cream. Given that this is not a butter, like it's not listed or written as a butter, I hope it's as moisturizing as I need it to be. It does look a little thin, but okay, but not terrible. Okay, let's see. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick, and this also has slip. I can tell before I even put it on my hair. Uh-oh. She likes it. Also, I do like to mention, even though I've already been open about it, I do have some heat damage. Basically here in the back and like right here, I have heat damage, but it's okay. I feel as though my hair is moisturized. It is starting to define my curls. However, I feel like this is the type of moisture that I would need to reapply after 2 or 3 days. I do have medium to high porosity hair, so I lose moisture a little bit quicker than most. So what I'm going to do is go grab my personal brand, my Naturally Adira Crown Care Collection Moisture Rescue Oil, and I'm going to use that to seal and lock in the moisture from the leave-in and the cream. So give me 1 second. And this is my oil. My bottle's getting a little bit empty, so I need to re-up myself. Just gonna take a tiny bit of oil, and that's basically gonna seal in that moisture so that hopefully it lasts longer than it would without. Okay, so this is how we're looking, and I will say, for the fact that I have not used a styler other than the styling cream, that is pretty defined. So I'm excited to see what the gel does. All right, so next we have the Stronghold Gel. I know she does have a couple of them, or literally a couple or several, I don't remember. But this is the one that is like the strong wash and go gel. And yeah, it's pretty thick. Not like Eco Styler thick, but it's like a gel. So I think I'm gonna like this. I do like this. It feels heavier or thicker on my hair than I thought it was gonna be. Maybe I should turn this way so you can actually see. So that's a really good hold actually, and I didn't use a lot, and this is a pretty big section. And then keep in mind that because I do have some of that heat damage, it's making some of these pieces more straight, but as my hair dries, they will curl up a little bit better than this. But you guys, I like it. I like it. I didn't know if I was gonna be underwhelmed or overwhelmed or just like head over heels the second that I used it. I'm like a happy medium. Like, I'm not like, oh my God, this is the best thing I've ever tried in my life. However, I do feel really good about it, and I so far feel like I would keep using it. So I'm just gonna pin this back like I normally do to stretch my wash and goes, and I'm going to do the rest of my sections. So, you know how when you're styling your hair and you just know before it's done that it's already going to be phenomenal? That's how I'm feeling. So, I would have to, if I had to rate products from least favorite, I like all of them, let's be clear, I like all of them, but least favorite to favorite, top two is hard, but I would have to say number 3, the leave-in conditioner. Number 2, we're gonna skip number 2, and number 1, the styling cream and the strong hold gel. These two, I'm going to get big bottles. I already know I'm going to get big bottles. But if I absolutely had to give a number 1, God, that's hard because I really like both of them. It's gonna be the gel. The gel, I can already tell, might be my favorite styling gel, at least for wash and go or just period, out of everything I have. I can't believe I'm saying that. So I went through this phase where I was using Eco Styler like everybody else. I've tried the extreme gel, and I've tried like the custards and the lighter hold gels, and I prefer a lighter hold gel, but this is like the perfect happy medium between having a strong hold but still being light. Like, my hair, you can see, still has some volume, but it's very defined. Like, it's not going to be super duper frizzy. It's not as strong as like an Eco Styler or an extreme. Like, this would be on the lighter side, but it's like a heavier, lighter gel, if that makes sense. I don't really know how to, like, if this is super duper strong and this is super duper light and barely holds your hair, I would put her about right here, and it's just, oh, it's perfect. So I think this is my favorite, but we're still wet. I'm gonna let her air dry for a while, and then once it's closer to being dry, I'm gonna diffuse and fluff. And I have to do this tonight because this video still has to go up tonight, and it is 4:12. It's gonna be a late upload, but she's still gonna get up. So also, I wanted to point out that it does lay your edges. Like, and this is like no brush. I just kind of used my fingers and worked the gel in, and look at that. Oh, I like this stuff. And I don't think it's gonna be crunchy. Like, my hair feels extremely moisturized with all of the products, my oil, and still having that gel on top. My hair does not feel dry or sticky. Like, my hands feel like I have some type of body butter or something on them, and that's even with the fact that my hands are playing in the gel and I've been working that into my hair. So I need to stop looking over here and look at you guys. But I'm excited. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm at like a 8.5, maybe even a 9, with like excitement and like how I think that these results are gonna come out. We'll be back once my hair, hold on. Cute. Okay, so just one time around, kind of in a pineapple like this, so the back can be stretched and the curls can still be popping. So I'm gonna let her air dry for a bit. I'm gonna let her dry, and I will come back when I am styled and fluffed and ready with my results. I don't know what to say. There's one word that comes to mind. Ready? Wow. Just wow. Just wow. This turned out phenomenally. And I don't know this for sure because it could also be my oil that I put on, but I feel like that gel has moisture somehow, which like never happens unless it's like a custard. Normally if you have a stronghold gel, there's no moisture. You have to put it all on your hair in the beginning. Either that or the products are just that moisturizing, because look at how my hair is moving. Especially when it's this defined and it's moving this much. Look. Like, it's not stiff at all. And I did diffuse and fluff it out a little bit, but I didn't do very much. And you guys, look at her. And you know I like for my hair to be soft. Like, even though we want definition, I want my hair to be soft. I don't want it to be crunchy. I don't want it to be stiff. And because my hair is naturally not very dense and full, I prefer for it to be fluffy and big while still defined. And this was so easy. It was just so easy. I feel like also because the gel is a little bit I don't want to say light, like strong hold but light on the hair. That's what I mean by light. Because it is light on the hair, my hair actually did not take that long to air dry. Like, when have I ever been able to like flip my hair back and forth with a wash and go? Normally like where it dries is where it stays, but she has movement and body and definition all at the same time. Yep, I highly recommend. I know that the price point is a little bit higher than other brands, but they do have these travel sizes. So I would suggest that if you are feeling like treating yourself or just trying it because you're curious, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I damn sure did. If you have any questions, just leave them If you have any questions, just leave them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.